Once the vendor has registered successfully, the super admin has to approve this registration. For that, you can click on vendor approval option. You can see that a specific shop has been registered and the status of that shop is not approved. You can simply click on the shop and all the details will be displayed over here. You can just click on the approve button to simply approve that shop. Then you can just click on the vendors option to see the list of vendors registered in our system. You can search over here. If you want to filter down the results, you can click on any specific shop. All the details available in our database which are entered by the vendor will be available over here, and you can add some more information. Even the vendors can edit by themselves, or as an administrator you can always help the vendors to edit this information. Minimum order value, approximate deliver time, 30 minutes, functioning hours of the shop, say example 2 p.m. You can even type also 4 p.m. And next is the available slots, say 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. This is the available slot where he will be delivering the orders. Cutoff time is the time, the maximum allowed time for the customers to place the order. Say example 1:20, he will close all the orders for this particular slot. Then which all days it is available, maximum orders he can encourage in this particular slot, and you can at any time slot you can activate or disable a specific slot. You can add more slots by clicking on the add slot button. Coming to the right side, you have the informations which are entered, and if you have any policies available you may enter it over here, and you can just click on update button to update all the information, and you can see that all the informations are saved in our system.